We've lined up 15 insane moments captured and sent to us by Tesla owners in this episode, so buckle up for
Wham Baam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Parsa was supervising full self-driving when his Tesla stopped for a traffic light, as did the Model S behind him. The driver of a Ford, however, did not. It turned out the Ford driver had fallen asleep before smashing into the Model S at full speed. The Ford climbed the side of the Tesla before it crashed into several other vehicles. A total of 5 vehicles were involved in the collision, but incredibly nobody was hurt. This incident is a great example of a time when FSD, or even advanced driver assistance, could have prevented a collision from occurring at all. Peter was taking his Model Y to have the tires rotated, but he never made it to the tire shop. As he approached a red light, the SUV ahead of him drove straight through it. The driver of a Lexus making a left turn T-boned the SUV, sending it flipping before it ended up getting stuck on a guardrail. Peter immediately stopped to render aid to the very confused older couple in the SUV. Thankfully, his Teslacam footage was able to clear up what had happened. Police and firefighters responded to the scene of the collision, but thankfully everyone involved was okay. Gerwin was on his way to a meeting when the driver of a red Kia suddenly changed highway lanes without checking for traffic. The Kia smashed into a BYD in the passing lane, which immediately pulled over and stopped, but the Kia driver couldn't reach the shoulder due to traffic. Instead, the Kia driver adjusted their mirror, rolled up their window, and kept right on driving. At least, that's what it looked like. Gerwin waited for the other drivers at the next exit so he could give them copies of his Teslacam footage, but as far as he knows, they both just kept going. Gerwin also has an aftermarket dashcam which captured the audio of his Tesla warning him of a dangerous condition ahead. That's pretty cool. If you're looking for a dashcam for your ride, we put links to our top picks in the description. After reviewing thousands of submissions for our sister channel, Wham Baam Dashcam, these are the dashcams our team has been using for years. Haley was headed down a highway after a fun day on the beach when, uh-oh, not the jingle.
Jump in! Honda bumped!
The Honda driver returned to their lane as though nothing had happened, then proceeded to change lanes again, with their turn signal this time. Haley honked in an effort to get the Honda driver to stop and exchange information, but they just kept driving. Thankfully, she remembered that her Tesla had recorded the whole event, including the Honda's license plate number, so she had no reason to chase after it. She made a police report and filed an insurance claim, and her Teslacam footage proved what had happened. Insurance paid over $7,000 to repair the damage to her Tesla. Vishnu's wife was driving their Model X with their 6-year-old son in the vehicle when she stopped at a red light before being rear-ended by a Mustang. The driver pulled around and quickly told Vishnu's wife that everything was fine, even though both his airbags had deployed, before driving away while she was still calling 911. After waiting for the Florida Highway Patrol for over an hour with no idea if or when they would show up, she finally continued on her way. She gave the Mustang's license plate number to her insurance provider, but they told her it didn't return to a vehicle. Fixing the damage to their Tesla cost $7,000. Marion was sitting in stop-and-go traffic when another driver gently tapped the back of his Model S. Marion got out to inspect for damage, and it looked like the two vehicles hadn't actually made contact, until Marion put out his hand and the other car rolled forward. Thankfully, Marion removed his hand just in time. Even so, neither driver could find any damage, so after Marion warned the other driver to stay off his phone, they parted ways. Marion told us the other driver never even apologized. Marion's 6-year-old son Alexander, who was in the car at the time, is a huge fan of our channel, and he was thrilled. Marion said he shouted, "We finally have a Wham Bam moment." Justin was driving home from work when he kept noticing a red truck swerving around. He thought maybe the driver was tired or intoxicated, and he had a feeling something bad was about to happen, so he decided to keep his distance. Sure enough, the truck rear-ended an SUV, left turn signal active the entire time. After seeing both vehicles pull over, Justin chose to continue rather than trying to cut through traffic. Are you ready to witness the worst parallel parking attempt you've ever seen? Keep an eye on this Porsche. Ronald captured this video while parked on the streets of San Francisco. Sentry mode was activated when the Porsche driver decided to park in front of Ronald's Tesla. He shifted into reverse before backing into the vehicle in front of Ronald's, but the show was just getting started.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
In fact, we need to speed up the footage because this kept going for a while. After finally lining up between the two vehicles, sort of, the driver got out and inspected the damage to Ronald's Tesla. It seems like he noticed the front camera as he stared straight into it, but he then dusted off the scrapes on the side of his Porsche before walking away like nothing had happened. The Porsche driver didn't leave notes on either of the vehicles he'd hit, but thankfully, Ronald's Sentry mode footage was the proof he needed. Sadly, it's unlikely the Nissan driver was so lucky. By the way, we get a lot of complaints about how I pronounce Porsche, so I'll make you all a deal. I'll stop saying Porsche when you all stop saying Twitter. Follow us at Wham Baam X. This submitter was sitting at a red light when a lifted Ram pickup next to him decided to change lanes to make a right turn, only our submitter's Tesla was in his way, which he apparently didn't see. The pickup driver rammed the front bumper of the Tesla, which our submitter said made an awful crunching sound. Our submitter got out and confronted the Ram driver, but he claimed he hadn't hit our submitter and that the damage had already been there. He quickly changed his tune when our submitter sent him a copy of his Teslacam footage. Teslacam saves the day again. Hector was driving his Model 3 down a highway in Ladue, Missouri, when traffic started backing up during a downpour. A box truck behind him was coming in hot, a bit too hot, before its brakes locked up and it slid into the back of Hector's Tesla. Surprisingly, even though the heavy truck had impacted Hector's Model 3 fairly hard, the damage appeared to be minimal. When Hector took it to a repair shop, they quoted him just $2,000 to have it fixed. This submitter took his two young children to Elk Island for their first camping trip, a Canadian national park. He said they had a great time, but while they were there, someone keyed his Cybertruck. Now, he needs your help identifying the vandal. The local police told him they'd be arrested and charged with intention to destroy personal property, but only if our submitter could identify them. Reach out to us if you have any information that could help, and we'll make sure it makes it to the authorities. Let's stop this criminal before they harm anyone else. Adam was driving his Model 3 in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan on a road with narrow corners thanks to snowbanks on both sides of the road. Adam also pointed out that the road was covered in icy ruts. An oncoming driver didn't slow down or get out of the ruts in time before jerking their steering wheel, which caused them to lose control and nearly collide with Adam's Tesla. Once Adam saw that the other driver hadn't wrecked or hit anyone else, he continued. He told us that watching Wham Baam Teslacam videos, particularly the ones showcasing autopilot and FSD reacting in dangerous situations, helped convince him to buy one. That justifies a robo-taxi invite if you ask me, I'm just saying. This submitter was driving west on an interstate highway one night when he started checking his right side view mirror in preparation to merge into the exit lane after a construction zone. Suddenly, his right tires ran over something big, but he didn't realize right away what had happened. He kept an eye on his tire pressures, but they all seemed to be okay. When he arrived at a supercharger, he discovered a black mark on the front bumper cover and found that the fog lamp was loose. After returning home, he went to the Tesla service center. They were able to save the bumper cover, but replacing the fog lamp cost him $630 US. Yikes! The same submitter sent us this video from when he spotted a driver turning around on the highway. Instead of waiting for the next exit, they turned across the median before flooring the accelerator to match the speed of traffic, driving in the grass until they were up to highway speed. Well, that happened. At first, our submitter thought it was an unmarked cop car, but when he passed it later, he realized it was just a clueless civilian. Matt was on his way home with autopilot engaged when a Mustang driver tried to drift before losing control and driving into a canal. The sun was coming straight into Matt's Teslacam, so the quality of the video isn't great, but the left camera confirmed the Mustang's demise. Really, what did we expect to happen? Hey, did you know next week's episode will be number 300? We've been at this for 5 years now. We've got videos of some seriously misbehaving Tesla drivers lined up, and you don't want to miss them.